Okay, now we got this room to deal with, and I was wondering why they had this in the closet, and here's why. After the wand came off, they couldn't reach up there. They couldn't reach up there to turn that. There. They couldn't reach up there to turn that. So they jerked the valance off so that they could take this and turn it. And that's how you get these blinds to work, see? It's kind of a pain in the rear, but it'll work. And that's why they did that. And you remember this one's got the 2 clips up there. There's 1 clip there. This clip, I'm gonna have to take it and I'm gonna move it over. No 2 clips there. And on the back side of this, what do you suppose we have? We have 2 clips. And luckily for me, they're not broken. Let's see if I can take it off like that. And let's see if you can actually see that. I guess you can. See, so I take it off the front just like I would if it was on the blind. Just lift one and it comes off. See? This is what it looks like, and there's that clip, and that fits on the back side of the mini blind top rail. Okay, that's what generally snaps off, or this snaps off, or something like that. And so I'm gonna just have 3 up there, and I'm gonna set one over here to the far right. If you feel on here, you can feel where there's little bars to kind of support the top. I don't want this too close to the end. I want it just beyond this string to the inside. So I'm going to take it up there and just clip it on there like that. I'm going to slide it over as far as I can, and that's going to be good. I look at that end, and it's about the same distance. Okay, and I'm going to take this one over here. So I could slide it. I could slide it just to there, but I want it over a little bit further. And so I got to be careful with this and kind of push up on it. And I've got a little baby screwdriver on the back side. Last thing I want to do is break that. Okay, I got it. Now I can put it right in here, see? Like that. And I can slide it. I can slide it from there to there. And so I want it pretty much in the center. And that's all ready for that valance to be put up. But before I do that, obviously I got to get this last wand up there first. Okay, so I have 1 extra little clip, and I'm going to hang on to that because the next person who calls me, they may need it. And this one works fine. 1 there, 1 in the middle, and 1 over there.